Key features and details about Viprh Dehumidifier: high efficiency quiet dehumidifier, compact, safe and powerful. There are include: maintaining a comfortable and healthy living environment often comes down to controlling humidity, and this high-efficiency dehumidifier is designed to do just that. Using advanced semiconductor dehumidification technology, it effectively extracts up to 40 ounces of moisture from the air per day, tested at 86 degrees Fahrenheit, 80% RH. With a large capacity 120-ounce pull-out water tank, it allows extended operation without the need for constant emptying. To ensure convenience and safety, the unit automatically shuts down once the tank is full, preventing any risk of overflow. Quiet operation is one of its standout features. With a running noise as low as 30 decibels, it is ideal for bedrooms, study rooms, nurseries, or other spaces where peace and quiet are essential. An energy-saving mode helps reduce power consumption, making it both eco-friendly and cost-effective. The built-in LED touchscreen makes operation simple and intuitive, while a dedicated sleep mode ensures undisturbed rest. Beyond dehumidification, this unit contributes to a fresher indoor environment by improving air quality. It also includes an auxiliary drying function that can help speed up the drying of clothes. With its lightweight build and portable carrying handle, moving it from the bedroom to the bathroom, basement, kitchen, or office is effortless. Adding to its charm is a set of built-in colorful lamps, which create a pleasant atmosphere while it works silently in the background. Safety and reliability are at the core of its design. The dehumidifier includes automatic defrost technology to prevent frost buildup, ensuring stable operation over time. For added protection, it features an automatic power-off function in the event of tipping, making it safer for households with children or pets. Suitable for spaces up to 1,000 square feet, this compact yet powerful dehumidifier is an excellent choice for homes and small offices that want efficient, quiet, and safe moisture control. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.